So how do I know when to exit a trade and not sell too early or too late? Honestly, I have a really simple way of doing it where you can sell like perfectly and not have to miss out on a lot of big wins. So before you do anything else, the first thing you need to do is find an entry on the lower time frame. On this trade, for example, it was a 1 minute break of structure for Ralligan. Now, how do I know where to exit over here, right? It's just a complete mess. So what you're going to do is go on the 1 hour time frame. All you're going to look for is the next pivot high, okay? Or the next key level. The way you really find that is you look for any area where we had a very strong rejection, right? For example, right here, we rejected very hard. I will mark out the high right here. So that is an area of strong liquidity, okay? Price is attracted to that level, so that is where I'm placing my target. That really gives you a great idea of where to exit the trade because here it's just like random levels, but this is where you want to actually wait to fully close. Sometimes it will not fully come to the target, so what do? What you want to do to protect yourself is you want to keep raising the stop loss as price is getting to that target. For example, what I kept doing today was on the lower time frame, I raised the stop loss to the last previous low. If price would have broken any of these previous lows, I would have closed the trade before my target and just booked the profit. So yeah, that's basically how I'm exiting these trades pretty nicely. I'm not really missing out on a lot of the big move. And if you really mix the lower time frame and the higher time frame like that perfectly, it's going to be an amazing thing.